My morning routine.
My morning routine. Easy English. Hi there. Welcome to Learn English Through Stories channel. Today, I want to talk with you about something simple, something small, but very important. It's my morning routine. What do I do every morning? Let me tell you. Maybe it's like your morning. Maybe it's different. Let's see. So first, I wake up. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. Sometimes a little later. Sometimes a little earlier. But 6:30 is my usual time. When I wake up, I don't get up fast. No, I stay in bed for 1 minute. I open my eyes, I take a deep breath, and I say in my mind, today is a new day. Sometimes I smile. Sometimes I feel sleepy. Sometimes I want to sleep more. Then I sit up. I stretch my arms, stretch my back, and I yawn. I stand up slowly. I don't want to fall over because I'm still sleepy. Then I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. I use toothpaste with mint. So fresh. Then I wash my face. Cold water. It wakes me up. I dry my face with a soft towel. Then I look in the mirror. Sometimes I laugh. My hair is messy. It looks like a bird's nest. I fix it a little. Not perfect, but better. Then I go to the kitchen. I drink water. 1 big glass. Water is so important in the morning. No sugar, no soda, just water. Then it's time to make my bed. Yes! I fix the blanket. I put the pillows in place. Now my room looks clean. It feels good. After that, I sit by the window. I like quiet mornings. I look outside. Sometimes the sky is blue. Sometimes it's gray. Sometimes I see a cat on the street. I drink a hot drink. Maybe coffee. Maybe tea. Some days I drink warm milk. What do you drink in the morning? Then it's time to start breakfast. I love breakfast. It's my favorite meal. Some days I eat toast. Toast with butter. Toast with jam. Toast with peanut butter. Other days I make eggs. I like scrambled eggs. Sometimes I make a boiled egg. Easy, quick, healthy. I also like fruit. Banana, apple, mango. Sweet and fresh. Some mornings I eat oatmeal with banana or raisins and cinnamon. Mmm. After eating, I wash my dishes. I don't leave a mess. I clean up. It makes me happy. Then it's shower time. I go to the bathroom. I take off my clothes and I take a warm shower. I wash my hair. I use shampoo. It smells like flowers. I wash my body. I use soap. And I rinse. It feels fresh and clean. After the shower, I use a towel, a soft towel. I dry my body. Then I put on clean clothes. What do I wear? It depends. If I stay home, I wear soft clothes. If I go out, I wear jeans and a shirt. Then I sit down again. I do a little skin care, just face cream and sunscreen. Sunscreen is important, even at home. After that, I check my phone. I look at the time. I check messages. I check the weather. But not too long. I don't want to get lost in the phone. Just a few minutes. Then I sit again. I take 5 minutes to be quiet. No talking, no phone, just me. Then I think about my day. What do I need to do? Work? Study? Meet someone? I write a small list. Just 3 or 4 things. Not too many. It helps me feel calm. Then I pack my bag. I check everything. Phone, wallet, keys, notebook, water bottle. Yes, I'm ready. Before I leave, I look in the mirror. I smile, even if I'm tired. I say, "Let's go," and I walk out the door. Sometimes I walk to work. Sometimes I take a bus. Sometimes I work at home. But my morning routine is always similar, even on weekends, because good mornings equals good days. That's my routine. It's simple, but it helps me feel good. It helps me start the day with peace. And what about you? What do you do in the morning? Try saying it in English. I wake up at 7. I drink tea. I eat eggs. I go to school. Start small. Practice one sentence, then more. Soon, English will feel easy. Thank you so much for listening to Learn English Through Stories channel. I hope this story helps you. If you like it, please follow the channel. Come back next time. Let's learn English together. Slowly, simply, with a smile. See you again soon. Bye-bye.